Kate here at WTI, and if you're ready to become a serious bird watcher, you need to check out this amazing bird feeder with camera from FLOMILAMD. Bird watching will never be the same. So this awesome little setup is solar powered. You can strap it right to a tree. It comes with different mounting options, so whatever works for your area. We just use this black strap. It feels nice and sturdy. It connects to your Wi-Fi. We're quite a piece from the house and we still have really great connectivity. This holds a ton of birdseed, 2 liters, so a huge capacity. And then it also has these little spots for hummingbird nectar, which is so cool. So not only can you attract all of the other birds, but the hummingbirds will come and feed as well. Now, what takes this to the next level, of course, is the app. It will give you live notifications when you have a bird feeding at your feeder. So you can literally watch them as they eat. They also have the option of subscription service, which will help identify your birds. How cool is that? On top of that, it comes with its own SD card, so it already has memory. Of course, you may have the unwanted visitor. So we've had a chipmunk come, and it comes with an alarm. So if you notice that there's something feeding at your feeder that you'd rather not have, you can set off that little alarm and it'll deter them. Having birds feed at your feeder brings so much joy. Being able to identify them if you want to is even better. It is solar powered, which I love, so I don't have to worry about charging this. It will automatically charge during the day with the sun. It's also weatherproof, so rain, wind, snow, it's built to last. It's really, really well made, and I know that you're going to absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.